Time for more tradies to get back on the tools. Residential construction was allowed to resume today under strict rules for workers, including mask wearing and staying away from residents on sites. Police promise they'll be watching closely.
Power does exist under current legislation that enables us to shut down a building site for serious non-compliance where there is found to be a threat to public health.
But that's just one of the concerns for authorities, with dozens of new COVID-19 exposure sites across the ACT, including casual contact at the Ibis Budget Hotel in Watson across 12 days from August 27. Case numbers too continue to climb. Of today's 24 new cases, 18 have been linked to existing cases and exposure sites, and at least 6 were in the community for part of their infectious period. There's now 15 people being treated for COVID-19 in hospital, including 4 in intensive care, with 1 person requiring ventilation. Among those being treated is a child under 12, and 11 are unvaccinated, 3 were partially vaccinated, and 1 is unknown. Of the 463 total confirmed cases in the ACT this outbreak, 361 were unvaccinated. That's 78%. 43 or 9% had had just 1 dose of a vaccine, and just 20 of them, or 4%, were fully vaccinated. And when it comes to their ages, 339 of those unvaccinated people, around 89%, were under the age of 49.
This is not unexpected, given 84% of our confirmed cases in the ACT are aged under 45 years and actually haven't been eligible for vaccination for as long as the other age groups.
Epidemiologists say those figures match what's happening globally.
The vast majority of cases are being seen in unvaccinated people, which demonstrates the effectiveness of the vaccines that are currently being used in Australia and in the United States and other parts of the world.
And there's now more opportunities for Canberrans to get fully vaccinated, with more than 30,000 additional appointments opening at the AIS Arena Clinic over the next 6 weeks. More than half of Canberrans over the age of 16 are now fully vaccinated, the ACT, the first jurisdiction in the country to reach that milestone. 70% of those over the age of 12 have had at least 1 dose, and it's that younger age group that's critical to the government's modelling for cases to come and its thinking on the easing of restrictions.
We are looking at the 12 plus population 2 weeks after we cross the headline thresholds, because the vaccines are not at full effectiveness until 2 weeks after you've had your jab.
Until the vaccine is approved in Australia for use in under 12s, as more people above 12 become vaccinated, then more of the cases we'll see lower in the lower age groups.
The government will reveal its plans for the weeks ahead on Tuesday. Harry Frost, ABC News, Canberra.